Hi friends, today we are going to learn API, how to make API in Django Rest Framework by Django Rest Framework. So we are using Django Rest Framework in there, so we can make easily. Okay, so in Rest Framework we can make APIs in two ways. First is by using API view class, and another one is by using API view set class. So API view set is very easy because we don't need to define URLs, so it is very helpful for us because we don't need to write very much code. So we are using view set class. Okay, so first we need to make one project, Django project. So can we make? Yes. So you need to run one command, that name is Django/admin start project, and then project name. So I am going to take with rest 5 my project's name. Then we need to go to our directory. You can see here with rest is created, so we need to go there with rest 5. So cd with rest 5, cd with rest 5. So we need to create one app for there, for this that name is test app. So can we create? We need to run one file py manage.py, and then start app and our app name. So I am here test app. I am taking test app for my test for my application name. So now we need to update the settings.py file in our project. So this is the settings.py, and we need to add this app to our settings.py installed apps file. So we are adding. First we need to add rest framework. This is our framework for making API, and another one is our test app. Okay, yeah, it's good. Then now we need to add one employee model class. Okay, so on that employee we can perform the update, delete, create, and get operations. So we need to create one more employee object. So it is like simply employee object. In that employee object our data is there. We are going to take 4 fields. Okay, so you can see I am making one class employee. You can take any object there. This is the child class of model class. Okay, and I am taking 4 fields. First is employee number is equal to, it is the integer field, so I am taking as an integer field, dot integer field. And another one is employee name. Employee name is the character field, so char field. In the character field you need to pass one argument, that name is max length, because Django don't know how many how many characters are present in your employee name, so we need to set that. So I am setting 50, max length is 50. So I am taking 4 fields. So one is employee name, employee number, employee name, employee salary. Employee salary is integer field, and employee address. Okay, employee address is again character field, and max length is 50. So our work is done in models.py file. We need to add these things into admin panel, like whenever we are fetching admin details. So these things we need to see. So we need to register in admin.py file. So first we need to import that model that before we created. So from test tab dot models, import employee. Okay, now we need to take one class. The class name is employee admin. You can take any name, employee admin, and this is the child class of admin dot model admin. Okay, and here we need to specify the fields that are we need to show. Okay, so list display is equal to what are the fields we need to show. One is id is the field that that is given by Django, and it is the primary key of our data. And another 4 fields are that we are defining before. So we are defined before. Okay, employee number, you need to pass in the single quote. Okay, salary, employee salary, and then address. Okay, now it's done, and we need to register that. So admin dot site dot register. Then we need to pass these two classes. One is employee admin and another one is employee. So first we need to pass employee, then employee admin. Okay, our work is done. And one thing is that मैं आपको हिंदी में समझाता हूँ. जैसे कि हम कभी भी API बनाते हैं तो हमारा जो रिस्पॉन्स होता है उसे हमें जेसन के फॉर्म में रिटर्न करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी लैंग्वेज मतलब बहुत सारी ऐसी एप्लीकेशंस हैं जिनको अगर हम सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं तो वो सिर्फ जेसन के फॉर्म में हमारा डेटा लेगी. तो हम क्या करेंगे, जेसन के फॉर्म में डेटा रिटर्न करेंगे. तो उसके लिए हमें एक सीरियलाइज़र रहेगा. सीरियलाइज़र क्या करता है, हमारे पाइथन टाइप का जो डेटा है या फिर किसी भी टाइप का डेटा है उसको हम जेसन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सीरियलाइज़र क्लास का यूज़ करते हैं. तो सीरियलाइज़र क्लास के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक serializer py फाइल बनानी पड़ेगी. तो हम बनाते हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमारे टेस्ट स्टेप के अंदर हम एक नई फाइल बनाते हैं जिसका नाम रहेगा serializer.py. ओके, एंड इन दिस क्लास वी नीड टू import from REST framework sorry framework serializer imports model serializer. Okay, model serializer. We need to take one class employee serializer, and this is the child class of model serializer. Okay, we need to override the meta class meta, and we need to give the give one model that what the model like. वह हमें मॉडल पास करना पड़ेगा कि हम कौन से मॉडल का यूज़ कर रहे हैं. तो मॉडल इज इक्वल टू हम कौन से मॉडल का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, एम्प्लॉय मॉडल का. तो हमें इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम टेस्ट डॉट मॉडल्स इंपोर्ट एम्प्लॉय. ओके, मॉडल इज इक्वल टू एम्प्लॉय, एंड देन वी नीड टू स्पेसिफाई द fields. What are the fields we are taking? So I am taking all fields, underscore all, underscore. Okay, our work is done here. Now we need to go to the views. No, first we need to make the tables in our database. So for that we need to run one command. Is first we need to go our project directory with rest 5 cd with rest 5. Then we need to run one command, python manage.py make migrations. What this command is does, this command is simply do make one SQL query that is on the behalf of our models. on the behalf of this the SQL query will be बन जाएगी, इसके बेस पे एक SQL क्वेरी बन जाएगी अगर इस कमांड को हम रन करेंगे। जैसे मैं ये करता हूँ तो जो है इसके बेस पे एक SQL क्वेरी बन जाएगी। और जैसे ही हमें एक और देख सकते हैं, create model employee, okay, then we need to run one another command. Another command is manage.py migrate command is simply run this SQL query. This command will make the SQL query, and this command will making the table in our database. So migrate, okay. And again we need to do one another thing is we need to create one super user. So this super user is access our database easily with username or password. So again py manage.py create super user, is simply do it simply get from us the data like username. I just take simply ram @gmail.com, ram@123, ram@123, yes, okay. So we are making one table for it. This is employee table, okay. Then we need to go in the view class. Now we are making APIs. So first we need to import employee from models dot test dot models import employee. Then we need to import serializer also. So from test dot serializer import employee serializer, okay. And another one thing is I was tell you in the starting of the video that we are making APIs in two ways. First is API view and another one is view sets. So I am using view sets because it is very easy, and we know we don't need to give or we don't need to write the separate URLs for them. So I am using view set in this video. So first we need to from REST framework REST framework dot view sets import model view sets, okay. This is automatically do all the operations by default. So if you want to make APIs for you have very less amount of data, like you only need to perform operations on like one model or two models, so you can simply use view sets. In the upcoming video I will be teaching you how to create very crucial based API for another model, so you can get what is the API view. So we can take one class. हमें एक क्लास की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। हम एक क्लास बनाते हैं जिसका नाम हम रखते हैं एम्प्लॉय व्यू। ये क्लास क्या रहेगी? मॉडल व्यू सेट की चाइल्ड क्लास रहेगी, ठीक है। अब हम इसको क्वेरी सेट रिटर्न करेंगे, क्योंकि हम क्वेरी सेट देंगे कि कौन सा डेटा हमें इसमें चाहिए। तो हमें कौन सा डेटा चाहिए? एम्प्लॉय डॉट ऑब्जेक्ट्स डॉट ऑल, okay, and we need to give the serializer because serializer underscore class is equal to employee serializer, okay. Now our work is done. we हमने API बना ली है, अब हमारा सारा काम हो चुका है। अब हम एक बार सर्वर को रन करते हैं। manage.py sorry, I am writing the wrong command. Yeah, here we go. We can check first, and yeah, we need to add some dummy data in our database. So just click slash what is slash admin, and our username is Ram, our super username is Ram, and Ram @123 is password. We are simply login, and you can see here employees. ये हमने जो क्रिएट की थी ना मॉडल क्लास, वो है, तो हम इसमें डमी डेटा डाल देते हैं ताकि हम ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर सकें. एड एम्प्लॉय, एम्प्लॉय नंबर क्या रखते हैं अपन 100, एम्प्लॉय का नेम श्याम, एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी 10,000 से तो ज़्यादा ही कमाता है इंदौर, ठीक है. इससे एंड एड एम्प्लॉय, एम्प्लॉय नंबर 200, एम्प्लॉय नेम सुमित, एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी है 20,000, एंड एम्प्लॉय का एड्रेस है पुणे. ओके, फॉर एम्प्लॉय वी नीड टू ऐड 300, एम्प्लॉय नेम इज रमेश. ओके, एम्प्लॉय सैलरी इज 40,000, एम्प्लॉय एड्रेस इज Hyderabad. Same. 3 is ready. Okay, 3 data is worth. Like we need to perform on this data operations. So first we need to go here, and yeah. Okay, so we can go server, and we need to define our URLs in urls.py file, urls.py. So here we need to create one object for router. So from REST framework dot routers import default router, and router is equal to default router, and then sorry, spelling mistake, router, and router dot register what is our API name. So I am simply taking API. Then we need to take one base name. Base name is equal to API. It is optional when you are using now wait, we need to perform simply wait, what I am doing, simply give a minute, just simply settings.py and rs.py. Where what I opened, yeah, urls.py, yeah, open. And another parameter is we need to give the class that we are making before. So from testapp.views हमको इसको क्लास का नेम भी देना पड़ेगा. views import employee view and employee view. Okay, and another one parameter is base name. You can give or not give, it is optional. Okay, then we need to include in our URL patterns. So we first need to import include is available in Django Rest URLs. Okay, so include and path, another path is, and then in the path you can simply take as empty, and then you can include and router dot urls, and your work is done. Now we are checking our APIs. So first, what is our API name? API. Okay, this is the data we inserted right now, Sumit, Shyam and Ramesh. So first we need to perform get. So this is get. Okay, this is get. And then we need to create post, like we need to create one new data. So employee number is, we can perform post for by using this button. So employee number is like 500. Suresh, employee salary is 60,000, and then employee address is like Mumbai. Then if we click post, then the new data will be inserted in our database. So we can simply check at the new, like admin, and then employees. Yeah, Suresh is now inserted. Okay, Suresh is now inserted. Now we need to change the Shyam salary to like 000. We need to change the Shyam salary to 00. So first we need to change our API, because what is the ID primary key for the Shyam? 1. So we need to give that ID to our URLs. So now we are clicking writing 1 and slash. Yeah, so Shyam data is come. Shyam's data, yeah, ID is 1. So Shyam salary we need to change. So we need to change 0000. Okay, so we are changing put. Okay, 200 means the operations is success. So now we can check the data. Now we are refreshed. Yeah, you can see the Shyam salary will become 0. So we are performing 3 operations. We are creating a data, we are getting the data, and we can change the data. And now I want to delete the Shyam. Okay, so now I just click on the delete. First you need to pass the ID, that what record you need to delete. So simply just I am assuming that I need to delete the Sumit, so I can delete with 2 ID. So 2, click 2. This, you can see the Sumit data is here, so we need to delete it. So we can simply just click on delete button and delete. Yeah, and 204 no content. So we can check in our database also, the Sumit data will go on. Yeah, so we perform all the operations on our API. So you can easily make API by using REST framework by this method. So okay guys, bye.